Okay, so you're telling us this is a very special device called a...
It's a siphon ring. So, most homes you don't see these installed. They just have a high loop, and we want that high loop to touch the bottom of the countertop. We always call that.
Yes,
But
you
this
say
actually
dishwasher fails to make a high loop and could siphon back.
And that's because code requires these, but reality is that they get locked open. And it's actually why you have this under too, is to kind of divert that stream. Because the water coming out of the dishwashers from the pump under pressure and shoots it through the line, the garden hose, and if this valve is locked open, then the water can come out this way. So if you ever see water dripping down from here or shooting out of this thing, then a little piece of food has got that check valve stuck open.
And the check valve is open, so what do you do when water starts shooting out of that thing?
Sometimes you can clean the valve out, but yeah.
But you're saying that's likely to happen.
It could.
Okay, you got that, Cat?
What?
That thing might
So it
spew
needs
water
to be-
everywhere.
You'll see these in older manufactured homes. You'll
Okay.
see these a lot.
Don't use dishwasher when not at home for lease rules.
Okay.
Never run dishwasher when not at home.
I think that's already in the
Yeah. that's a good
dishwasher, washing machine, all that is already.
Yeah, but extra special for this one.
because the
Because that thing, if that thing ever shoots out water, it's because if a piece of food got stuck in it.
idea. It's fantastic that it's here on one hand, but on the other hand, it can be a little problematic. That would actually keep it from potentially shooting across the.
Okay.
And hopefully just run down in the sink if it ever blocks open.
Or keep an upside down teapot atop anti-siphon bracket.
Yes.
Okay, so what exactly do I want to call this?
Anti-siphon valve. Siphon break.
Anti-siphon. I wish I had my spell check.
Okay.